Guys, today we are starting with the hair fall solutions for for female hair losses. So we will discuss the female hair losses and very young ladies. Young ladies means in teenagers, and then we will be discussing like hair fall in early 20s, unmarried lives, and then we will discuss in the married life, and then so on. So today we will discuss the hair fall solutions in young ladies. Hair fall solutions in young ladies are due to three main reasons. Number one, polycystic ovary syndrome, gynecological disturbances, and she will be having cyclic disturbances. And other cause will be ferritin deficiency, iron deficiency, anemia. This is another big major cause of hair fall in very young ladies, like in young ladies and teenagers below 20s. And the third cause is thyroid diseases. These three causes are main causes of hair loss in young ladies. And keep in mind, I would say one thing to young ladies: the hair fall solutions can be completely addressed. It can be completely brought back to the normal by addressing three main reasons of hair fall. There should be one of these three reasons in any young lady, like before age of 20. We are discussing hair fall in young ladies. So you should keep in mind, if you are in these ages and having a hair fall, you should be presenting to the hair fall treatment doctor. And who will be the treating doctor for hair fall in young ladies? At least qualified by American Board of Hair Restoration Surgery, who is having good knowledge to treat that hair fall, because he will be knowing the reasons of hair fall in young ladies. So you should be presenting to that particular doctor in your particular region for your hair fall solutions. And keep in mind, if you go to a right doctor, you will be having a right treatment, and you will be having a right result for that. Because what I know about this, in early ages, in young ladies, treatment of hair fall has more than 90% results, and you can get your hair back, especially in ladies, not in men. In ladies, you can get your hair back within 90 days, within 120 days.